Hi, my name is Simon Alexander. I'm making Tortellini Soup today. Because it's healthy, it's noodles, salad, tomatoes, and Parmesan cheese. The process is you need to get a pot, pause to heat up, turn the knob. It's just need like noodles, salad, tomatoes, oregano, salt and pepper in there. Put in and stir it a lot. Keep stirring it.
Would you recommend it to someone else?
Yes, because it's good for health. And it's good, soft, very neat, and very tender of the soup.
Let it simmer. It'll let it cool down.
I'm making tortellini today, dinner soup thing.
Okay.